pussy by a big house. Big bands, 4 Giadas when I go to pull out. Big rats, know he be upset, I make him pull out. It make me horny when he drop.
Alright. We are at, where are we guys? We are at BJ's. It's the day before Thanksgiving and we trying to get the good stuff. We trying to get the deals. Ooh, this is a big ass thing. We trying to get the deals, you feel me? For the low, for the high. Yeah, they be acting funny nowadays with their prices. For the high. Yes, we hungry.
How much for that thing?
$20, $21.
Nah, this is for 19.
I'm trying to get a good pepper spray. Let's talk about your pepper spray.
So, I'm campaigning for nothing. I'm just trying to be safe out here.
Be safe out here in these streets. Get some pepper spray and some tasers.
And a hammer.
And a hammer.
And I go. You get chicken like that for
Word. What is thank you for?
What?
Oh, yeah. The samples, we can't find them.
Yo, y'all want to see how much turkeys we got?
We have mad turkeys.
For what? I don't know.
We buy them so we can do the storage.
Mad meat.
It's always Thanksgiving around here.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. I just woke up and I'm about to go have some brunch with my family. Yes, we fat. We're gonna eat before we eat dinner. I'm Haitian. I'm not waiting this long for dinner to be cooked for me to eat. Like, it's about to take forever. But yeah, so I'm about to go get ready and I'm head over there. Oh, I look crazy. Y'all see me in all types of way, huh? But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna kick my cousin out the bathroom because she wildin'. But yeah.
Maren, this is not what's happening.
This weekend, holiday magic is at Verizon. Get Disney Plus on us for a year. With plans starting at just $35.
Black Friday shopping with my baby. Stop being Stop.
Crazy.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have a Secret Santa gift. She getting the speaker. It was originally $60, but I'm getting it for $30, and she don't gotta know nothing. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Subscribe. Okay? For real.
The
What else? What is
aftermath.
it? Subscribe, like, comment, all of that. Put the notification bell, everything. Period.
You feel me? Period, Paul.